This is the very simple and useful Ryobi ONE Plus compact cordless blower. Don't let the size fool you. It packs 3-speed adjustment to handle everything from delicate dust to heavy wood shavings. It features 18 volts of power and a flexible nozzle that goes where the dirt is. The coolest part is that it works not only with the huge batteries, but with the small ones too. But now let's test out 3 speeds on this cool garden gadget.